Welcome to my channel. How to set up and troubleshoot Netgear BE5000 Wi-Fi 7 extender, EXS27. Step 1. Plug the extender into a power socket near your main Wi-Fi router and wait for the power LED to turn solid green. Step 2. On your phone or laptop, connect to the extender's default Wi-Fi name, SSID, like Netgear_Ext. Step 3. Open a browser and go to www.mywifi.ext.net or 192.168.1.250. Step 4. Log in with your Netgear account, or create one if new. Step 5. Start the new extender setup wizard and select your main Wi-Fi network. Step 6. Enter your router's Wi-Fi password, then set the extended Wi-Fi name and password. Step 7. Wait for the extender to reboot and check that the connection LED is green, strong signal. Step 8. Place the extender halfway between your router and the weak signal area for the best coverage. Step 9. If the LED is amber, red, weak signal, move the extender closer to the router until it turns green. Step 10. For issues like no internet, slow speed, or login failure, press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds, then repeat setup.